it's Claudia, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today I'm doing a review video. I've not done one of these videos in a hot minute, but it is another beauty review video and I could not do this video because I got my hands on the James Charles Morphe palette. I will be not only reviewing this palette but also trying it out. This is the box it comes in. On the back it has a little message from James and then his signature. So I'm going to be doing two looks today. I'm going to be doing the classic rainbow look on one eye and then I'm going to do a Christmas look on the other eye because it's only suited because it's Christmas. This came so quickly. It literally came in 3 days. I was expecting to wait weeks and it was packaged up so well. There's so much bubble wrap. Here it is. It is so beautiful. You know when you like tilt it and you just think about his like advertisement video for this. Look at that. So it literally looks like a painting palette. So obviously it has a sheet here with all the names on. Here, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Unleash Your Inner Artist. I like how the top two shades are kind of like more natural looks, like not too in your face. You could do a really subtle look with it, autumnal, you could do like Christmassy. The middle, of course, like he explained, are like some transition shades and the basics you need for any look. And then down here are all the like pop art kind of colours, like really bold and in your face. And we're going to start here, and this colour is called Canvas. I'll probably use it as a base, like to set primer or something. We're going to go into Ring Light now. I would say this is like a highlighter. Oh, definitely. So good. Gold shade, and I'm thinking this is a highlighter for darker skin tones because I don't really use highlighters that. I'd use like frosty ones. Then we have 518. I don't own an orange shade. Whoa. That would be amazing around Halloween when you want to do like a pumpkin look or something. Next we have Rusted. That's so pretty. Halloween. Bronzy red. Oh, next we have Wig. It looks kind of green with undertones or bronzy on my finger, but it's definitely a bronze. Tea, a matte dark brown, that's all it really is. Punch Me. Yeah, it kind of looks like a bronzer. Benefit Hoola bronzer in light. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Sister, it's a baby pink shimmer. Mary, that is beautiful, look at that. Literally, kind of looks corally from here. Oh, whoa, that is like a summer colour. You're kidding. Oh. You are actually kidding. Shook. That is so nice. Boutique. Ooh. Benny. That's almost black. That's not quite black because the black is below it, but it's a really dark berry. Flashback. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy. Face is the next. Like a gold bronze undertone tune. So my camera just cut out, but we've just done 3 shades. Code James, 10% off and no beans. And now I'm about to do Spooky. Whoa, that's incredible. B first up. And it's this beautiful yellow. Oh, I have never seen a yellow so bright in my life. Oh, I love guacamole. I can't. Hello, because definitely hello. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's like a mermaid ocean colour. Playground. I'm going to be saying the same thing for every colour. This is insane. So now we've got Brother, which is a mix of purple and blue. It's quite a cool colour, you know. Artistry. Why is this purple bolder than all the other shades? It's got blue undertone like in the light. Beautiful. It's got glitter and everything in it. Love that. Definitely do love that. Definitely do love that. Pinkity Drinkity. This is literally my favourite colour in the whole world. Like, this is the shade of pink I love. You better live up to it because I'll be using this shade a lot. I'm not joking. Oh. I guess it is quite hard to get baby pink really prominent. Social Blade. See it? Yeah, do you see Pinkity Drinkity? Do you see it above? But you can't really see it as much compared to the other two. Daddy, that is like a graveyard girl colour, you know? Cape Cod, that is a proper navy kind of colour. With a hint of green in it. Acapella, Single, and then we have Skip. That's stunning. So I think we're going to start with a Christmas eye look. Now this picture is kind of like not too bold in your face. God, I tapped it a few times and this is what came out. I'm going to do the cut crease. I'm going to take some concealer, taking this flat brush, and the picture drags it out as in a wing, so I'm going to be doing that. Taking Pinkity Drinkity and I'm mattifying the cut crease to make it a pinky colour. Cut crease is split with a glitter liner of silver, so I'm going to be taking Pal first and then putting glitter on top of it. To flashback, and I'm going to try and do the snowflakes, and if the white isn't strong enough then I might go in and use a white face paint, but let's see if it surprises me. Finished this eye, I've done the lashes, I've done the eyeliner and the mascara, and honestly it looks so nice. I also added a highlight in the inner corner and the brow bone, which was the second colour in the palette that I said earlier that was a really nice gold undertone highlight. Then we're going to move on to a rainbow look on this eye. The picture kind of starts with like a blue in the inner corner, goes out to green, yellow, orange and red. A hot minute to get a nice white that I've wanted, but I finally did it. The white is now finally actually covered up the concealer, which I was starting to get worried that it wasn't going to do. Now I'm going to do the eyeliner, but the eyeliner I'm not going to do black eyeliner. In the picture it is a mix of like a few like rainbow colours. Doing the mascara and lashes, but I just add some highlights as well from the palettes, the second colour. Of the makeup, I am so pleased with how it turned out. I definitely think that I prefer the Christmas look just because it's more my style, more girly, but honestly I love this palette. The colours are so pigmented, they are so easy to blend. You can literally tap the littlest bit and you will get such a good result, so this will go a long way. This will last years, this palette, honestly. There's no fallout, which is incredible because I always have to do my eyes before my face because it's always fallout with every eyeshadow I do. I will be putting up an iCard poll because I want to know if you prefer this look or this look. Just literally, you don't need an account to answer, just pick Christmas, rainbow, whichever eyeshadow you like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do love this palette and I definitely recommend it. When it's restocked, I definitely think you should go get it if you have not already. I love you guys so very much. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!